Good morning everyone and welcome to our weather segment. Today we are not just talking about the weather outside but also the weather inside, the weather of our minds when it comes to learning.
Hello everyone! Excited na ba kayo? Alam niyo ba na ang attitude natin sa pag-aaral ay parang panahon? Yes! Ang salito! And I can't wait to hear how of which you can relate sa iba't ibang weather types. Ready na ba kayo? Ano kaya ang attitudes natin kung tayo si Sandy? Ano pala si Sandy? Halika tuloy natin. Tara!
Hi guys! I'm Sunny. Para sa akin ang pag-aaral ay parang sunny day. Kapag masaya ako natututo. Kayo ba?
That sounds great, Sunny. What makes you feel so positive about learning?
Well, I love participating in class and working with my friends. So it feels so good to share ideas and help with each other.
That's inspiring, Sunny. Sige, bye-bye. Iwan naman namin. Puntahan na kami.
Bye-bye! Take care!
Tala, nararamdaman mo ba ang nararamdaman ko? Oo, parang ang bigat-bigat. Nandyan pala si Stormy. Speaking of mabigat, nakikita mo ba nakita ko? Nandyan pala si Stormy. Hi, Stormy! How are you?
Hey there, I'm Stormy. Okay naman, parang stormy weather lang. Minsan nahihirapan ako at feel ko ang daming pressure sa paligid ko.
I get that, Stormy. What makes you feel that way?
Kapag sobrang daming homeworks and exams, parang naguguluhan ako and it's hard to study focus when I overwhelm.
That's understandable. We all have our tough days.
That's right, Stormy. By the way, I'm Fanny. Para naman sa akin ang pag-aaral ay parang isang fun days. Minsan mahirap maintindihan. Minsan mahirap makita ng malinaw ang mga bagay-bagay, pero nakikita natin ito bilang pagkakataon na mag-explore.
That sounds interesting, Foggy. What does being foggy mean for your learning?
Kapag foggy, I tend to take my time to understand concept. I like to dig deeper and discover new insight even if things feel a bit unclear at first.
Sure, Stormy and Foggy, may pupuntahan pa kami. Bye-bye! Really? What happened?
Hi everyone, I'm Rainy. Don't worry about me. I just like to take time to reflect on what I learned.
Huwag kang umiyak, Rainy. Why is reflection important for you?
Parang ulan lang kasi yan na nagdadala ng growth. I think about my experiences and how I can improve it. By this, it helped me grow as a better learner.
Wow, that's nice, Rainy. Are you cloudy?
Huh? Me? Are you talking to me?
Yes, you're cloudy, right? And what attitudes to learning do you have?
Just like how this guys, nandun ako pero minsan wala akong gana.
What do you mean, cloudy?
Minsan, I just go through the motions. Nandun ako pero wala akong gana katulad ng iba. Parang I'm just stuck in the clouds. Parang I'm just stuck in the clouds.
Tama ka naman. We all have days when we struggle to find motivation.
Hindi.
Speaking of motivation, nararamdaman ko na ang kanyang kakulitan. Speaking of motivation, nararamdaman ko na ang kanyang kakulitan.
Hi everyone! I'm Rainy Day. Speaking of motivation, ako na yan! Sus, parang learning lang yan. Motivation is love of being changed to new ideas.
That's a great attitude. Windy, how do you stay flexible in your learning?
Go.
I try to always to adapt new things na kapag may mga bagong ideas, kailangan ko itong itinetes para ito makatulong sa akin. Open ako sa lahat ng mga ideas. Kayo ba?
That's fantastic perspective, Windy. Pero kailangan na namin magpaalam. Malilate na kami. Bye-bye, Windy, Cloudy, and Windy.
Bye-bye! See you!
Lalo na Ellie, ang galing mo. Lahat na nakilala akala natin katulad ng weather, may kanya-kanyang attitude sa learning. Exactly, ang bawat weather type ay may kanyang lesson na pwedeng matutunan sa ating learning journey.
First off,
Let's camera action.
Go.
Like sunny, stormy, foggy, rainy, cloudy, and windy.
Go.
Let's make our